It's Philip from Pacific Coast Yacht Sales, and we're looking at a 2005 Bayliner Ciera Express Cruiser. 2005, I said. It's got a bow winch. We're doing our signature outside video, walk around it, the whole boat, point out some of the nice features and benefits of the boat. It's got a Bruce anchor, electric anchor winch with the pedals up on the front there. As you come back, it's in great shape. It has assumable moorage in Blaine Harbor Marina. We can also get you moorage in Point Roberts for this boat too. So moorage is not an issue if that's where you want to be. If you want to be downtown Vancouver, it might be a bit harder. So it's got a new top in 2020, new Isinglass last year across the front, so it's nice and clear. What a great looking boat. The owners have kept this in great shape. Seriously for sale. It comes with a little Walker Bay dinghy, and what you see back here is an extended swim platform. Extends the boat about 2 feet off the swim grid, makes for a nice usable space, but it also puts the dinghy out on the back so you can have the swim grid usable while the dinghy is there. The dinghy's not tied down right now. It's usually a little bit further in, but I just moved it for the purposes of the photo shoot. But you can tie it down when you're cruising. What a great boat. PacificCoastYachtSales.com. 604-708-1980. We've been a leader in yacht sales in the Pacific Northwest for 30 years now. Under the Pacific Coast Yacht Sales and under my leadership, that's Philip, me. I run the company with my full-time assistant, Christy. Please give me a call on this boat as it's in the U.S. It's a BC licensed boat, but it is available for sale. 604-708-1980 or PacificCoastYachtSales.com on the web. We really appreciate you watching our outside videos and all the videos that we post on the boats that we are selling. I hope this makes a difference for you to come and see it and give me a call. Again, 604-708-1980. Thanks again for watching.